Hello and welcome to Tune Up Tuesday. I am so thrilled to be with you. We are starting our new time of 3 p.m. Pacific, and I am really, really thrilled for these new summertime hours so that we can really work on bringing ourselves into the full expression of who we are meant to be, to tapping into our divinity, tapping into our authentic selves, and tapping into our light. So, as we get ready for the sound bath today, go ahead and get yourself comfortable. The body loves to be comfortable, and in order to really gain the best and highest benefit from these beautiful sound waves, really want to make sure that you are in a relaxed state where you are open and able to receive. So you can either sit in your favorite chair or lay down. Maybe you want to get a pillow to put underneath your head and legs to make yourself comfy. And if you have earbuds, you may want to use that. You don't need them, but some people prefer them. And today we are going to be heading into a beautiful 10-minute sound bath to help relax you, to help release anything at all that may have come up for you today. I was talking to some clients this morning. They were talking about triggers. So if anything has happened for you and you'd like to release it, let's all set an intention of what you would like to have happen over this next 10 minutes. So whether that be to release a trigger, whether that be to open to more love, or maybe it's to be in a place of peace and let go of anxiety or stress or doubts or fears or anything that doesn't serve you. Set that intention now and trust that it will be served. So today, as I said, we're going to be heading into our 10-minute sound bath. And our focus today, this is the very first day of June. Last week, we had quite a beautiful full moon along with a solar eclipse, and a lot of celestial support for opportunity over this next 6 months. So in June, this beautiful month of June, I always love June. To me, it's like a Friday, starting of summer. It's like Friday starting in the weekend. And whatever you would like to see happen for you this month, start it now. Get ahead of it and really see it and feel it and visualize it, and let these sound waves bathe you, flow into every nook and cranny, and so that you can step into being your greatest light, your most magnificent self, so that you can draw into you all the things that you would absolutely love and desire to have in your life. So let's get started. Today, as I said, we're going to be working with these beautiful gem-infused sound bowls that are infused with love. This is Pink Aura Gold, and it is infused with the Magdalene loving energy, the unconditional love, and it is based in your root to anchor in the love. This gorgeous center bowl here is the Green Goddess. It's also laced and infused with gold, and it goes into the many layers of your heart for beautiful heart cleansing, heart opening, heart receiving. And this is the rhodochrosite white angel gold. And again, this is infused with white light angel gold, which is connected to the angelic realm. It's connected to the Christ consciousness. And together, and is their alchemy of sounds together, it is really rooted in the harmony of love and the harmony of Christ consciousness, and bringing that down from the angelic realm, flowing into and anchoring into the root of your being, and so that you're able to speak from your heart, so that you're able to think from your heart. So as we get started here, imagine opening your heart and allowing anything that feels heavy or burdensome to leave. Going to be focusing on feeling empowered. That third chakra, which is perfect. It's right there amidst the heart opening, releasing anything that doesn't serve you, and really stepping into your authentic power. So as you set your intention today, imagine yourself empowered. Imagine what traits you would have if you were truly living your life as the empowered woman and the woman of brightness, of lightness, of being. How would you be moving through your day? The mind thinks in pictures, so let's create some beautiful pictures for it to work with. Soaking in the sounds, shimmering beautiful sounds of love, of light, of heavenly sounds. Imagine what it would be like to speak your truth and speak it with love. Allow that idea, that vision, see yourself doing it. and see the result you would love. And imagine you are grounded in this confidence to speak your truth. You are empowered. You are anchored into that ability to speak with confidence, with courage, with ease, and with grace. And connecting your higher consciousness to your heart. Opening to receive that Christ consciousness. Allowing yourself to receive it and to feel it. Purifying any thoughts. Releasing any past pains or hurts. Cleansing the past. Opening with hope and joy to a bright future. And feel your heart opening and expanding. And wrapping it all with love. And sending you many, many blessings as you head into the rest of your day. Until next time, bye for now. Many blessings and much love to you.